The grind don't stop.
Good morning.
Oh, you see it. Time to go make a run, picking up another GY6. It's getting crazy out here, y'all. So we're gonna shoot down the road, get to the shop, work on some more bikes, and keep it going. After that, I hope this bike be running on the road today.
Cause you know why? You see it.
That's right. Stunts. So, changing my plans. Had to make a U-turn. About an hour out. Things is going crazy with the GPS, location communication. But we're on to another one. A little local. Turn around. You'll see it look like this. So, we're on that motion to go pick up the other one. Oh, you see it. So, it's what it do? Ah, finally made it here. Nice. Another one. Gotta work on it. Oh, you put it right from the bottom. Usually bottoms hit them.
Mm-hmm. They're high.
That's why I've been trying to get up some money real quick too.
What's wrong with the Honda?
I think the gas gasket blew out on it.
So that's the beautiful one.
Yep.
And this might just need a belt, some other light work. Well, when we get back to the shop, we're diagnostic. But until then, oh, you see it. Let's see what we got in there. Can't go nowhere with no belt now, could we? Yeah. Otherwise than that, putting the battery on here, new belt. Let's see where we at. Stay tuned. So we got the belt back on, the new clutch. Let's see if we crank up. Gotta turn the key for that.
Y'all see that tire? Nice.
Whoa. This thing sitting high over there.
Yep. That thing go pretty doggone fast. I'm going crazy. Come on with it. Let me see some. That boy crazy. Where's Ricky when you need him? To see some.
My little baby's her little short feet.
My little feet.
Balance point. Oh, you see it. Up and running, nice.